Tired of annoying ads ruining your YouTube binge-watching sessions? Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock ad-free viewing by subscribing to YouTube Premium using PayPal, making your viewing experience smoother than ever. First things first, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the YouTube homepage. This will open up a drop-down menu. From that menu, select YouTube Premium. This will take you to the YouTube Premium Sign Up page. Now, click on the Try It Free or Get YouTube Premium button. The wording might vary slightly depending on if you have a trial available. You'll now be prompted to choose a payment method. Look for the PayPal option and select it. This will redirect you to PayPal's secure login page. Enter your PayPal email address and password. Then click Login. Review the subscription details on the confirmation screen, and then click the Agree and Subscribe button to authorize YouTube to use your PayPal account for recurring payments. Congratulations, you're now a YouTube Premium subscriber. Enjoy ad-free videos, background playback, and YouTube Music Premium, all thanks to the convenience of PayPal. To manage your subscription or change your payment method in the future, head back to your profile, click Purchases and Memberships, and then select Manage Membership. From there, you can update your payment information. If you encounter any payment issues, double-check that your PayPal account has sufficient funds or a valid payment method linked to it. You can also review your transaction history, your PayPal account, to confirm that the YouTube Premium payments are being processed correctly. If problems persist, contact YouTube or PayPal support for assistance. Now you can enjoy endless hours of ad-free entertainment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.